Today we're making the most delicious pea and mint puree, so let's do it. To make this delicious puree we want a saucepan. We also want some frozen peas. Chuck your peas into the saucepan and you want to fill the pan with some water. Bring the water up to a boil and then you want to cook out the peas for about 5 to 7 minutes or so, just so they're warm and tender. After a few minutes, give the peas a taste, and when they're ready, you want to drain those off, and then we want a blender. Fill your blender with the peas. We also want some unsalted butter. Chuck in a knob of butter, and next, pea's best friend, we want some mint. So chuck in a few mint leaves, and lastly, we want some double cream. Pour in a nice splash of your double cream, and you want to give your peas a good blitzing up. After a few moments, give them a quick taste, add a nice pinch of salt, and then you want to give them another few minutes in the blender until they're really nice and smooth. Taste your puree, make sure the seasoning's on point, and when you're happy, you're ready to serve. This puree is so simple and so delicious, so give it a try, and I'll see you next time.